You know what actually blows my mind? How are we still using terrible webcams in 2024? Well, I just found something that fixes that. Meet the Insta360 Link 2 and more affordable Link 2C. First off, the Link 2 shoots in 4K with a 1/2-inch sensor. It's got AI tracking that follows you around like a personal cameraman. It's got desk view mode, so it can tilt down to show what's on your desk. Both of the webcams have super professional audio quality, and the AI noise cancellation is so good you would never know I was running a robot vacuum. And you can even control it using various AI gestures. Oh, and when you're done, it automatically tilts down into privacy mode. And if you're looking for something even more budget friendly, this is the Link 2C. This one is even more affordable, and it has all of the same features except it swaps AI tracking for auto framing. Plus, it has this cool double tap to zoom feature where you can zoom in and out with just a tap. And this one even offers a physical camera cover. Let me know which one you would pick, and the best part is both of these are linked in my link tree.